Hi unique family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am bringing you guys a step-by-step how to put on these lashes, girl. Yes, lashes can be hard to put on, okay? When I first started doing lashes, I've been wearing lashes for maybe 3 years now, and let me tell you, the first maybe 10 times, I don't know how many glue I got on my eyes, how many times I poked my eyes. So it's, you know, it's not, you're not gonna get it in like the first day, but if you keep on trying and trying, I promise you, you will get the hang of it. Because lashes to me is like everything. It bring out the face, it bring out your eyes. You could just do your eyebrow, your lashes, put some powder or foundation, you are good to go. That is literally my everyday like relaxed look. If like I'm going to like a little small party or dinner or something, pop on some lashes, girl. So yeah, so I am going to tell you guys the items you will need to put on your lashes. You could find these at Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, Ulta Beauty, anywhere really. So of course you will need your scissor to cut, because when you get the lashes you need to measure the lashes on your eyes to make sure that it fit. So if it doesn't fit, and you don't want it to in your eyes because it will bother you every second, and you will end up hating lashes, and you don't want it too far out. So if it doesn't fit, you're just gonna cut some. Okay, you are going to need tweezers. Now you could just get these at Walmart, cheap. They, you know, tweezers are not that expensive, so you need tweezers. You will need glue, of course, and this is the dual brush on, the dark. I like the dark because I like my lashes dark. As you can see, my eyes is different right now. I have eyeliner on this side, and I left this one blank because I wanted to show you guys the lashes without the eyeliner, but I always put eyeliner over my lashes just so you won't really see the band. It could be more natural or whatever. So this glue, good stuff. I think I got this at Ulta. They usually have buy one get one 50% off. So this one is really good. Mascara, optional. Sometimes I put it, sometimes I don't really care for it. This is just a Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home, but I just put it here. I probably won't even use it, but yeah. Eyeliner, eye pencil, or whatever, just to put over it. If you want, you don't need to do it. Definitely a mirror, because this is this one you could see your eyes are really up close, your lashes. Now before I tell you about the lashes, when I first started wearing lashes, I used to really go with Ardell Demi 120. That was my always to go. Like, I love 120. It's natural, it's easy to put on. The band is a little more flexible to work with. So when I suggest when you first start, you use like more of a flexible band. It's actually a little easier to work with compared to this one. Now I feel like I'm a pro. So this one have a more of a stiff band, so it could be, you know, it's not hard, but I feel like the Demi is a little more easy. These are some mink lashes I buy from AliExpress. They real cheap and real cute. So I usually order a bunch of them that will last me a couple months. And yeah, so we're gonna measure, we're gonna snip, and yeah, let's get started. Like, I love my cup. Off topic, be a gold digger. Yes, we're doing some sleeping tea because I am trying to go to sleep. And I work nights, and working nights could really mess up your schedule. So even on my day off, I barely like could go to sleep early. So yeah, fun fact. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna remove these lashes. I'm gonna zoom in later on, but for now, let's just do the first step. So we remove our lashes. I don't know if you guys could see. So the way, if you don't know like which one is for which eyes, I mean, this is how your eyes is shaped, you know, like with the, it comes just like this. So you're gonna use this one for this side, this one for this side, or usually the end corner of your eyes, usually the ends are shorter than the other side. So the shorter one will go toward the inner corner of your eyes. So yeah. I could already see that I need to snip this. By the way it comes, it has some ends that don't even have lashes. So definitely gonna need to snip it, but we're gonna measure anyway. So you're just gonna put it towards your eyes and see where you want it to land. And yeah, we definitely need to cut some. So we're gonna snip and then we could get started. Okay guys, so now we're a little up close and personal. So I have my lashes. I cut them to fit my eyes. Now I am holding them with the tweezer, and I have the glue. So what we're gonna do, just gonna open the glue. Gonna get some. Like I said, it's a brush. So you're just gonna brush a thin layer into the strip. I don't know if you guys could see. Make sure to put extra in the corner of each end, okay? Because these the corners be the hardest part to stick. So now you're gonna hold your lashes with the tweezer in the middle. I usually hold it in the middle, and you're gonna give this about 1 to 2 minutes. If you're blowing, give it a whole 1 minute. You want it to be tacky. You want it to be tacky so it could stick better in the eye. So we're gonna give it a 1 minute blow, and we're gonna grab our mirror and we're gonna get started. So basically what you wanna do, you wanna lay this flat in the middle first, and then we are gonna get the middle end and then work with the corners, okay? So we got our lashes. Sometimes the glue could stick to the tweezer, so you just maneuver it, you know. So we got our lashes, we got our mirror. Gonna look, you're looking down. What you want to do, you want to get the lashes as close as possible to your lash line, okay? So you're just gonna get it right without putting the glue in your eyes, but get it as close as possible. I know it's hard, but trust me, with practice you will get this, believe me, okay? I've been there. So okay guys, here we go. So we got the middle end. Now we're gonna go, you could move it to see if it's gonna be too inside or not enough out. So it's not enough out for me, so I'm gonna move it, lift it up a little bit and move it. And blink, okay? Because if you don't blink, you're gonna tear up. So just blink slowly. Take the corner. And I got the middle in, I got the corner in, and we're just gonna give it a tap. And you could press it until you see it's thick, especially the corners. The corners sometimes give the most trouble. That's why I said to put the extra glue. Guys, look at the difference. Look, okay? Tell me you don't see a difference. You see a difference, right? Dull, bright. Don't blink too much, because technically the glue is not done drying, because sometimes the corners will start lifting, and all you got to do is get a little glue and stick there and whatever, but try not to blink. What I would do is put my eyes down for a minute and then let it dry. Okay, so we're gonna do this eyes so you can see the difference with the eyeliner and no eyeliner. You know, we're gonna do this eyes but off camera, because you already seen this, you know, or maybe I'll do it on camera but probably fast forward it because you've seen it and now you can do it. Okay guys, I decided to zoom more closer for this one just to make sure you guys see this again. Okay, so we have our lashes, it's tacky, we have our mirror. Okay, we're holding it in the middle and we're gonna place it right in the middle, and then work with the back corner, and then work with the front corner as close to the lash line as possible. Okay, all right. We got the middle end. I'm sorry, I'm blocking you guys probably. Okay, we got the back corner in. Now let's work with the front corner. We're going to hold it for a little bit, and we are going to push little by little with our finger. Probably look very awkward right now, but don't worry. They say beauty is pain for no reason. Okay guys, I think we got it in. So let me zoom out so you guys can see. So guys, tell me you don't see a new face, okay? Girl, we got our lashes in now. We got our left and our right on, and I show you guys step by step. Promise me you're gonna try. Promise me you won't be scared. I promise you will be all right. Okay, just follow the step. The biggest thing I seen is people try, but they like the lashes is not even close to the lash line, so it just look off. So try your best. I know it's hard. Try your best to get it close to the lash line as possible. So we got this one with the eyeliner and no eyeliner, so you guys could pretty much see the difference. This eye look probably a little more full. You probably won't be able to see the line, and this one you'll probably be able to see it. But regardless, lashes just bring out the face, honey. So yes, I hope you guys took my step and follow them. I'm not a professional or nothing. In my own world I am, but I'm not no professional. But I am here to help, you know, those who need help, and just give you the confidence and boost to try things. You know, there's a lot of things I don't like to try, but I just sometimes push myself to try them. And I hope you guys that's been scared of trying lashes, just give it a try, because I guarantee you, if you need to go to a wedding or something, you don't have to go pay $50–$75 just for makeup. And if you could do the littlest thing, I promise you your face will just, you know, if you could do your eyebrow, you put foundation on, you put some lashes, that's literally in highlight, honey. I don't play about my highlight, okay? that's literally all you need to like your face would be like, you know, photo ready, you know. So yeah, so just try it. Don't be scared. It will be hard in the beginning. You will miss some steps, but you'll get it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.